Make a great choice today with the 2022 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, moonroof, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.